Hey everyone, it's Anna from For Real. Tired of struggling to find the logout button in your eBay app? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign out of the eBay app on Android, step by step, and why it's so important for your account security. If you've ever felt that slight panic when you can't find the sign out option before selling an old phone or lending it to someone, you are definitely not alone. It can be surprisingly tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Leaving your account logged in is a security risk you just don't need. In the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through the exact path to find that hidden sign out button. We'll make it super simple, so you can secure your account in under a minute whenever you need to. I've helped countless people with these small but crucial tech steps, and this is the easiest way. Let's dive in. Step 1. First things first, open up the eBay app on your Android device. You'll land on the home screen. Now, look for the main navigation menu. On most phones, this is along the left side or sometimes the bottom of the screen. You're looking for an option called My eBay. Go ahead and tap on that. The My eBay section is your personal hub for everything related to your account. Your watch list, purchases, bids, and more. All of your account management starts from here. Step 2. Now that you're in My eBay, you'll see a lot of options. We need to scroll all the way down. Keep going past your updates, your shopping list, and the shortcuts. You're looking for a section at the very bottom called Account. Within that section, you'll see an option for Settings. That's our next destination. Tap on Settings. This is where a lot of people get lost, as the settings are tucked away at the bottom. Getting here is half the battle. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, please take a second to hit that like button. It really helps the channel and tells me I'm making useful content for you. Okay, back to it. Step 3. You're now on the main settings screen. This menu controls everything from your shipping address to your notification preferences. We're looking for the Account subsection on this page. Scroll down just a little bit, and right there at the bottom of the account options, you will finally see it. The Sign Out button. Go ahead and tap on Sign Out. The app will immediately log you out. There's usually no extra confirmation pop-up. You'll be taken right back to the generic eBay home screen, where it prompts you to register or sign in. Success! Now that you know how to log out of the eBay app, let's talk about why this is so critical for good eBay account security. First, if you ever lose your phone or it gets stolen, you don't want someone having access to your payment methods and purchase history. Making it a habit to sign out can protect you. And here's a power tip. What if you think you left your account logged in on a friend's device or a public computer? You can actually sign out of all sessions remotely. Just log into the eBay website on a computer, go to your account settings, find Sign In and Security, and you'll see an option to sign out of all other sessions. This is a fantastic safety feature to know about. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to sign out of the eBay app on any Android device. No more searching through menus or worrying about your account safety. You can now confidently remove your account from the eBay app whenever you need to, keeping your personal and financial information secure. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our future tech tips. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Is there an app or website task that drives you absolutely crazy? Something that feels way harder than it should be? Maybe it's filling out the same info over and over, hunting for a hidden button, or dealing with pop-ups that never end. I want to hear about it because I might cover it in our next video and find a smarter, easier way to handle it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.